friends, hope you guys are doing well. And so I am back with another Linux command line video, and today I am going to be mentioning about the mkdir command. So I have also I'm going to be explaining this in much more detail today, but I have also mentioned the mkdir command along with some very basic Linux commands that you guys can also check it out, pwd, ls and rmdir, etc. But today's video is contributed only to mkdir. But if you want to check that video which has the basic Linux commands, you guys can just go and visit my channel, or you guys can also click on the I button which you will see on the screen, and you will get the video. But coming to today's topic, so as I already said, that I'm gonna be telling you about the mkdir command in detail. So let's not talk further and let's get started. So first of all, you can basically use mkdir to create a folder. So I am now in downloads, and I'm just going to be showing you here downloads, and as you can see I have these things. So I want to create a folder here with the help of the terminal Linux command line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be entering mkdir, which is the command, and then I'm going to be entering what name I want the folder to be created in. So suppose I want that as image. So mkdir image, and as you can see that the image folder have been created here. Now suppose I want to make a subdirectory or subfolder within this image directory or folder. So how am I going to do that is that I'm going to write mkdir, and then I'm going to be writing the folder name that already exists. Then I'm going to be giving a /, and then I'm going to be writing the name I want my subdirectory to be formed in. Suppose I want that as pics. Now enter, and now if I show you in this image directory, as you can see, a pics subdirectory has been formed. So now suppose you want to create a directory structure, a directory and then a subdirectory inside it, but the parent directory or the original directory in which you want to make the subdirectory doesn't exist. So how are you going to do that? You will you want to create 2 to 3 directories, one inside the another, the original parent directory, then another subdirectory, then another subdirectory, whatever you like. So to do that, you're gonna have to write mkdir, and then you're gonna write -p, and then you have to write whatever the parent directory you want, for example name, and / suppose channel. So so if you enter, it will create the directory structure, the non-existing name for a directory will also be created, and as a subdirectory channel will be created. Now another thing before I run this command, so this -p actually is the short form of the original flag. So the actual one is here 2- or minus, whatever you say, and then you actually have to write parent. So this is the parent is the full flag, but I'm gonna just use the short form here, which is -1p or 1/p. So now I'm going to be clicking enter, and as you can see, the name folder has been created, or folder or directory has been created here, and within that, as a subdirectory, the channel directory has been created. So now suppose you want to make several directories, subdirectories inside of one parent directory at one go. So how are you going to do that? In this command I only created one subdirectory. or in this in this point I only created pics, in this command I only created channel. So how are you gonna make several subdirectories at one go? So to do that, you're gonna have to first of all, let's see what we have in the name or our parent directory. So we do not have anything other than channel directory. So suppose I want to make here 3 directories. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna have to write mkdir, and then of course I'm going to be writing -p or -p or double dash parent, whatever you want. You can either write the full version or the shortcut version, which is the small form of it. So whatever you wish. But now I'm going to be writing my parent directory, in which I'm going to be making these several subdirectories or subfolders, whatever you say. So now I'm going to be giving the /, and now I'm going to be giving the curly brackets. So basically you can call it curly brackets or second brackets as well. And now within these curly brackets, we're going to be mentioning the name of the directories we want to make. So I'm going to be making 3 directories. You can be making 4, you can be even making 2, you can be even making 1 if you wish for. You can make 5, whatever you like. So now suppose the first one is Shreya, and the second one is Paromita, and the third one is Orijit. Okay, so these are the folders I want to create, and now I'm going to be clicking enter. And now as you can see, within my name parent folder, this Orijit, Paromita and Shreya, both 3 directories have been formed at one go. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And also please keep supporting me. And another thing that I usually say in every video, that I am also learning and I am not a very educated and like a pro at this. I'm also a beginner, just like some of you guys may be advanced and know all these stuff very well. But it actually what happens, like these commands, if you don't have practice, you eventually tend to forget, because human brain tends to forget information and memories eventually at a time. And so especially in the short term memory. So basically what I mean to say is that some of you might be advanced, some of you might be beginners, but it doesn't matter. And just like that, I'm a beginner and I'm telling it to you guys. So practicing it and telling it to you guys through my video actually helps me practice more, and it just stays in my head as long as I can. So if I just what I mean to say is that if I make a mistake, I may make a mistake, and please feel free to correct me in the comment section. So thank you for watching.